Yeah,
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Harshvi and today with us we have Ashlesh Kapadia and this is our very first film review and we are reviewing the film Mahavatar Narsimha, an animated film which is setting a new bar for Indian cinema.
trust me, guys, this film is pure magic. The graphics, the animations, details, everything. It's like a story from our grandparents that has come alive and hits our hearts right in the middle.
चलिए बात करते हैं इस फिल्म की एनिमेशन। इस फिल्म के एक एक विजुअल इतने शानदार है कि आपको हैरान कर देंगे। स्वर्ग के दरवाजे, युद्ध के मैदान या फिर वी टॉक अबाउट द टाउन दैट दे हैव मेड इज सो ब्यूटिफुली डन। हिरण्यकश्यप का पूरा डिज़ाइन, देन वी टॉक अबाउट प्रहलाद, उसका इनोसेंस, उसकी बॉडी पे जो छोटे छोटे टैटूज, वी डोंट एग्जैक्टली कॉल इट टैटूज, what is that, the artwork they have done, the precision of that is very beautifully done. Even विष्णु जी का जो नरसिम्हा अवतार है उनके ऊपर भी जो आर्टवर्क किया गया है, जो छोटे छोटे निशान बनाए गए हैं वो इतने सुंदर है that makes you feel the perfection with which they have made the movie so beautiful.
Now, one thing we all know is कि ये सारी फिल्में they are going to come out till 2037. So what they have done in this film, they are going to do really good work in upcoming films in such low budget also. I would say there is no point in this movie where you will feel, what am I watching? Why am I here? It is full paisa vasool. There is nothing like I don't like this part or don't like this part. Of course, at some places graphics could be better, but come on. Look at the budget, look at the team size. They have done really good work, and you don't feel like you have been cheated. It's really good.
इंटरवल के पहले जो एक्शन सीन है और इंटरवल के बाद जो एक्शन सीन्स है, दोनों एक्शन सीन्स में दे हैव यूज्ड ऑल देयर बजट। आई कुड से कि क्लाइमेक्स में भी इतना अमेजिंग एनिमेशन और जो उनकी साउंड प्रोडक्शन टीम ने इतना अच्छा काम किया है। दिस वन सीन व्हेन हिरण्यकश्यप इज पुटिंग हैंड ऑन हिज कवच और उसका भी जो माइनर साउंड है दैट इज आल्सो डन एंड दैट इज द परफेक्शन जो ये इंडियन सिनेमा के लिए एक नया बार सेट कर रहा है इन द फील्ड ऑफ एनिमेशन।
For me, the highlight scene of the movie is obviously where the Narsimha avatar comes alive out of the pillar when Hiranyakashipu strikes it with his leg. And not just me, even Hiranyakashipu was too stunned to speak. It was so beautiful, and as aggressive as it was liberating in a way. It looked so good, and you finally start feeling, wow, finally Prahlad's hardships, all the things that are being done to Prahlad are going to end, and you in yourself start feeling, finally, this is good for Prahlad. So yeah, we have all heard the story, but seeing it happening, it felt good.
Just like experiencing it, it was like being in that mahal and feeling it. And the last part, for me the highlight was the last part when Narsimha Avatar is very very angry and he he doesn't know what to do, and then there's every dev is there, even Lakshmi ji is there, and everyone is asking each other to calm Narsimha ji down, and there's no one who could do it better than Prahlad, and everyone goes to Prahlad and ask him to do it, and the scene is so overwhelming and it made me cry. People cannot connect emotionally with animated movies.
No. I think there is a large population in India that can connect emotionally with this because we all watch so much anime, right? And this is no different than this. These people who call anime cartoon, these are the people who cannot connect. Even she did, right? We are gonna love it, man. It is so good, so good that you just can't miss it. If you miss it and you see it on your phone, on your laptop someday, you are gonna say, I should have watched it. Bad luck.
I'm not very fond of animes, but I really liked it and I cried 7 times. So for the people who...
So Thala for a reason. Right, 7 times.
So yeah, you connect emotionally with the movie. And that was all that we wanted to share. So yeah, that's it for the video. That's it for the movie. I give you total assurance that you could go watch it with your family, and your kids are going to love it. You yourselves are going to love it, and like, doesn't matter if you're a youngster, if you're old, if you're very young, you just go and watch the movie. It's for all. And that's it for
Because
this
God
movie.
is for everyone. So the movie is fun.
That's it for this movie, and we're going to review some other movies in future. We are thinking of Vishwaguru, we are thinking of Maharani.
Tell them, no? Those are Gujarati films.
Those are Gujarati films. We're going to review it in Gujarati, of course. And we are thinking of other Hindi movies which are...
We are going to do for Samrajya, the Vijay Deverakonda film, and there are several more. We'll see.
Thanks if you're here.
See you.